windstorm is getting pretty good here. The windstorm, it's actually destroyed the tarp on my outdoor shelter. Throwing my canoe around. That's supposed to be laying flat down. Knocking down all kinds of stuff out here. Just hope my roof is holding up. There's Mrs. Canoehound in the window. Here we are inside of our wind shelter, or not our wind shelter, but our summer gazebo, and yeah, you can see the zipper's been blown open here by the wind. And I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Toto. They said today we're going to be getting gusting winds up to about 125 kilometers. I have no idea what it's at right now, but it ain't slow. What do you think, Molly? Want to go in the house? Hey? Not really liking this too much, are you? The neighbor's pine trees over there just going to town. There's gonna be a lot of trees down, I think. And I'm being blocked by the shelter of my house right now. Cheryl's just waiting here to to watch the cover blow off that thing out there.
Well, that was at 3 corners. There's 3 that lifted up. The other one was left one.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Molly. Almost tripped over Molly here. It's a lot less windy out here. I hope your paws aren't all muddy, Molly. You're in the mud out there. Well, I might as well go out there and try and capture that thing. Maybe you can videotape me while I do it. There it goes. Woo!
God. Now what are we gonna do? I can't believe it just flew over. It's gonna blow away. Shove it in the corner there. Shove it in the corner. Yeah, just shove it in the corner. He doesn't know what to do with it. Big. And you know what? The weather's supposed to get even worse. This is nothing. This is just the start. Oh, Molly got locked out. She's really scared. She don't like the wind. Oh well.
So, Hope you enjoyed a little bit of antics here in this this nice little windstorm that we're having here in southern Ontario. They're saying the winds are supposed to be like 120, 125 miles per hour, or not miles per hour, sorry, kilometers per hour, which probably is like 70, 75 kilometers an hour. Our cover on our shelter out there, well, it's gone. It's all ripped. I think it's time for a new one, Cheryl. And Molly's not liking it. Our power's been on and off a few times today. So with that, at least I got a little footage today. I turned a day that I couldn't get out in bushcraft into a day, well, where I still get to post something on the video. So this is Dennis at Canoehound Adventures, and remember, people, keep the adventures alive. Bye.
Hi.